So hey you guys, I'm back to filming. This is Brother Shell. Oh man, I've been standing there for a couple minutes now trying to get my drone to calibrate properly, and it's been a nightmare. It's cold, and it's been just gotta calibrate the camera again. I put the over the ND filter on there that I got on there. It calibrated correctly with the ND filter on there. Thank you, drone. Alright, let's see how this is correct. The horizon looks correct. Come this way just a little bit. Actually, I'm his battery's at 100%. It's cold. But who cares? Just trying to get a little bit of flying in. Let me brighten up my screen a little bit. Gotta brighten. Guess my screen was as bright as it gets. I'm hoping nobody comes over here. Okay, it's windy today. I'm using my stylus to press the buttons on the drone. Put that back. Pocket side. Because it's just that cold and windy. But taking the risk. Doing a little bit of flying. It says my GPS is not on, which I don't see how. It's definitely on. It's connected. So probably gotta recalibrate that thing. It didn't really say nothing when I calibrated, but let's see. Yeah, it's kind of flaky. I do have the Wi-Fi on, so I'm gonna take off. It's windy. I'm gonna see how it holds up in the wind. See, the wind is blowing it up a little bit. I'm not doing that. That's the magnetic interference that's happening. Definitely magnetic interference is going on right now. I don't know why. There's nothing too metal over here but some poles and stuff. I'm in a different park, flying. Get the camera set up. Still got it in 2K mode. Check about the 4K. Take it down to 25 frames. Got an ND filter on it. It's the MCUV ND filter. You see what it's set to Pro is just like I said, I don't know why what magnetic interference is working with this. I only can go up to 300 feet, so I'm not going to be really doing anything crazy today. Let's see. Nothing crazy today. The white balance is on auto. Let me see if I can fix that. Yeah, see. Now you guys can see what I can see. Let's see. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Going over 500. I'll put the white balance to sunny. It really doesn't change. Cloudy, shaded, and all it does is change the color. So I'm gonna go to auto. Not gonna really mess with that today. Let's see. The horizon is a little bit straight. My battery on my drone is at 85% because I've been out here standing in the cold trying to get it to sync up. Had a little technical difficulties, which is okay. That's part of it. I'm gonna take it out of film mode. I'm gonna put it in first I'm gonna move this. Put this up here like where I usually have it. And then I'm gonna keep it in. Change it to cinematic. It's crazy. Let's see. I'm gonna try something. That I wanted to try a while ago. My drone's really fighting the wind right now. It's like insanely crazy. And the sun is to my left. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna point the good one down. So I'm down here. And we're just gonna see if I can do like a follow me or a cameraman. So can't do follow me because the GPS is off, as y'all know. So can't do that. See if we can do cameraman. Maybe I'll do a cameraman and just hopefully my video stays recorded. Draw a rectangle around me, get it, frame it. So yeah, it's not even letting me do cameraman. It's just, it probably needs the sun or the light. And hence I don't have on the ND4 filter. It's probably not seeing much light. I just wanted to try one filter right now on this first battery. So I'm gonna come out of, let's see. I can't even do anything right now. Which is okay. If y'all can hear my drone, it is seriously fighting the wind right now. And it's only at 53 feet. The trees are blowing. So over here the trees are blowing. y'all spraying the skies right now. This is what I'm seeing. Let's see. So since my GPS is on, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna take it up in the air. Still got visual on it. It's blowing in the wind. Let's see what I got. Cinematic settings. Presets. Change it to 7. Right turn. Horizon's dynamic. I'll change that to fixed. If I have it on dynamic, when I turn the drone, it's gonna turn with it. I really don't want that. Air conditioning's at 20. Change it down to settings is all over the place right now. Vertical speed is 8.2. That's why I got up there fast. Set that about to 3. Rotation speed was set to about 13. And I believe that's it. Global. Yeah, let's keep that at. I'll change it to 13. Let's see how we're rocking there. Let's see. So if I move it over, just keeping the dynamic. Rotation. And you guys can actually see how far the mountains are out today. We'll get more of that. If I bring it right here, it kind of balances it out. So the sun is right here. If I do that, you can see the sun. You can't see anything else, but you can see the clouds and how they're spraying up here. If I do a panorama. Go around. Back to the same spot. That's pretty much much how it looks on the horizon. I at least wanted to get out here before the sun went down, but let's see. Listening to my drone. Let's see. I'm just gonna kind of come this way. I'm fighting against the wind. Battery is at 37, so I'm not going 36 now. I'm not gonna go far. Just gonna go forward. Turn the drone. See the drone turning over the trees. Go over the trees a little bit. It's a plane. You can hear it. It's below me. I'm kind of gonna just navigate. My battery runs out. This way. Little video jagging this a little bit. Forward. So I'm gonna bring it down. It's coming. I don't think I was up that high. I didn't know I was up that high. It's coming down nice and slow. It's doing the automatic return to home. See how close it gets. Almost down there on the fence. Okay, so I'm gonna stop that video.